Hello everyone. So we're in the kitchen today and I'm going to be attempting to make some melon ice cream. So we've been growing rock melon for the very first time, and while it smells delicious, I've discovered that I don't really think it's the fruit for me. So I've been looking for some creative ways in which to use it, and one is ice cream. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, let me know your favorite ways to eat rock melon. So you don't need a whole lot of ingredients. You do need some sugar. I'm going to assume that white sugar is probably best, but I've only got raw sugar. You need a bit of lemon juice, obviously the melons, and then just some thickened cream. As I said, I'm using raw sugar and hopefully it's going to work. Okay, so my little food processor chopper guy is not exactly very big, so I may have to do mine in a few batches, but you want to puree your melons with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So it's starting to look really good already, and it actually smells quite nice that I've added that lemon juice. So now all that's left is to mix the puree into the cream mixture and then pop it in the freezer. I do think if you can get your puree to be a bit smoother than mine, that's probably going to be best. It's just that my little chopper guy is just so small, and I did actually keep going, but it didn't want to get any smoother. So I'm just going to give this a whirl and just see what happens. So I don't actually have any ice cream containers, but I do have these plastic ones, and they say that they're 1.8 liters. So hopefully this will be enough. Perfect. So it hasn't quite filled the tub, but it's about 1.5 liters, maybe just a tiny bit under, but that's plenty. There's only 2 of us. So I'm going to leave that in the freezer for a good 4 to 6 hours, and we'll be back to see what it looks like and how it tastes. See you guys in a bit. So it's actually the next day, as our ice cream just didn't quite set last night, and it's looking pretty good today. So we're going to do a bit of a quick taste test. have our ice cream. The consistency is a little bit like sorbet, and I'm just wondering if it's because my texture is just a tiny bit more coarse than it should be, but we're gonna taste it anyway. What do you think?
It's quite melony.
Neither of us really
That's
like.
good.
Neither of us really like rock melon, so or cantaloupe, as some people know it. So we thought this might be a good way to use it up, and yeah, it's not bad.
Tastes way better than actual melons.
That's true. All right, guys, we're gonna sit and enjoy our ice cream, and yeah, that's it from us today, and see you on the next one.